Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable endurance mode on Insta360 GO Ultra. To enable the endurance mode, slide down from the top of your screen, go to the right page and now click on endurance mode. As you can see, it only works in video mode up to 4K 30 FPS. So in other modes, endurance mode will be just grayed out. Let's confirm to turn on. And now let's wait a moment. Now endurance mode is on, which means some features may be simply restricted in order to save battery life. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.